Dear students, today we are going to do some more problems to the top. With that, the topic is contour integrals. In the contour integrals, we'll do the problems. Now we'll take one problem. Problem is let C be the circle. C be the circle. Mod z is equal to 1, positively oriented. C be the circle, mod z is equal to 1, positively oriented. Then compute integral C 1 by z dz. Now we need to find out integral C 1 by z dz. Okay, solution. Now here what is given is the circle with center 0 and the mod z is nothing but, the radius is nothing but 1. Mod z is equal to 1. It is nothing but in the form of like this, this is a circle with center 0 and radius is nothing but 1. So this can be written, actually we have the formula, that is mod z minus a is equal to r. Now this is the formula which we have, where a is nothing but called, we'll take it as center, and r is nothing but the radius. Now what we'll take is mod z minus a, that is nothing but equal to r, is equal to, we will take it as z minus a is equal to r e power I theta. R e power I theta. This is the formula which we are going to take, because it is nothing but because it is being defined in a circle. Okay, so therefore z is equal to, you will be getting as a plus r e power I theta, you will get according to this. Z is equal to a plus r e power I theta. But you have to see that here mod z is equal to r is nothing but 1, so a is nothing but 0. So therefore you will be getting as z is equal to e power I theta, you will be getting. So therefore what I will do is, I will first write these all things now. First I will write that we know that mod z minus a is equal to r. Now I am writing this everything here. Okay, mod z minus a is equal to r. So that implies z minus a is equal to r e power I theta. This implies z is equal to a plus r e power I theta. Now this is the formula which we have. Okay. Now let us take that mod z is equal to 1. If you take mod z is equal to 1, where theta is nothing but belongs to, theta if you take belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. Theta is nothing but varies from 0 comma 2 pi. If you take theta. Now if I wanted to have this one, okay, so this is what we have. So what is given is mod z is equal to 1. So I may write this as C, and the z is nothing but equal to mod z is equal to 1. Okay, mod z is equal to 1. So therefore what I will do is, I may write as z of t is equal to, I am writing as z of t. You can take theta also, but I am taking as t here. Z of t is equal to, you will getting as e power I t. I am writing as e power I t, where t belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. You may take z of theta also here. You can replace this as theta also. Like this you can replace theta. Therefore theta belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. You can replace like this also, or you can take t also. Nothing will happen. So z of theta is equal to e power I theta, because here it is nothing but, in the place of a there is nothing but 0 here, and r is nothing but 1. So r e power I theta, 1 into e power I theta. This is what we have. So z of t is equal to e power I theta. Now what we have to do? Now this is what it is given as f of z. So therefore what I will do is, I will write as f of z is equal to 1 by z of, I may write as f of z of theta is equal to, okay, I may write as z of theta. Okay, f of z of theta is equal to this. Now what we know one formula. The formula is what? The formula is this is the formula which we have. Integral of C f of z dz is equal to integral a to b f of z of t into z dash of t dt. Now this is the formula to find the integral of f of z dz. So therefore I have taken as, in the place of t, I have taken as theta. So this is what we have. Now I should find out z dash of t. So from here z dash of theta is equal to what I will get now, this e power I theta into I, e power I theta into I you will get. So what I will do is, I will just I have found this one. So what I will do is, I will just substitute in this so that you will get the answer. So what I will do is here, okay, now what I will do is integral over C f of z dz is equal to integral over a to b means 0 to 2 pi. F of z is nothing but 1 by z of theta. So 1 by z of theta into z dash of theta into d theta. In the place of t we have taken theta, no. So therefore this is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi. I may write z of theta. Z of theta is what? E power I theta. So e power I theta into e power I theta into I have written I here. So this is d theta from here. Okay. So what will you get now? Now therefore what you are going to have? This is integral 0 to pi. E power I gets cancelled. You will be getting as I into d theta. So this is nothing but I and theta under the interval 0 to pi, upper and lower limits. So this is nothing but I into 2 pi minus 0. So you will be getting as 2 pi I. So integral over C 1 by z dz is nothing but equal to 2 pi I. So this is how we can calculate the given problem, right? Now we will go for the another one based on this formula only to find out the value of that. So you can remember that integral C 1 by z dz is always 2 pi I. This you can remember forever. Where here the center is not given, the center is nothing but 0, so it is nothing but 2 pi I. You can able to remember. Now we'll see one more problem based on this itself only. We'll see that fourth one. Second one. Let C be the circle with mod z minus a is equal to r, positively oriented, means in anti-clockwise direction. Now we need to compute integral C dz by z minus a, integral C dz by z minus a whole square, and integral C dz by z minus a whole power n. Okay, where n belongs to the natural numbers and a is greater than 1. N is greater than 1. N is greater than 1. Now these all values we need to find out. Very simple. You should understand it is nothing but given as a circle. Now solution. Now first we will take this one. So given C such that, I am writing as C such that mod z minus a is equal to r. As usual what we have done in the previous problem, z minus a is equal to r e power I theta. This is the value. So therefore z is equal to, you will get as a plus r e power I theta. Okay, this is value which we got, where theta belongs to 0 comma 2 pi, where theta is nothing but 0 comma 2 pi. Now we have one formula, integral C f of z dz is nothing but equal to integral 0 to 2 pi, integral 0 to pi f of z of theta into z dash of theta d theta. I am taking as theta. So therefore this is the formula which we have. This is a formula. So therefore I need to find out f of z of theta and z dash of theta. So first I will take f of z of theta is equal to f of z of theta. What is the value of z of theta? Z of theta is nothing but a into a plus r e power I theta. So what I'll do is I'll write as a plus r e power I theta. This is z of theta. Now z dash of theta is equal to, what is z dash of theta? So z dash of theta you will be getting as r I e power I theta d theta. You will be getting like this. So I'll substitute in this. So therefore what you will get, integral c f of z dz is equal to, okay, integral over 0 to 2 pi 1 by z minus a, means dz by z minus a. So 1 by z is what? Z minus a, means this is the value. F of z is nothing but z minus a. Z minus a means this is the value what we have. See, 1 by z minus a, he has given as z minus 1 by z minus a. 1 by z minus a means this value can be changed as 1 by z is nothing but a plus r e power I theta minus a. Now this is the value of f of z of theta. So same thing, this gets cancelled. This is nothing but 1 by r e power I theta value. So this is r e power I theta into z dash of theta. Z dash of theta is r I e power I theta d theta. Okay, so r gets cancelled, e power I theta gets cancelled. You will be getting as integral 0 to 2 pi I d theta. Okay, so integral 0 to pi I d theta. You will be getting as I into theta 0 to pi. So this is I into 2 pi minus 0. Okay, so you will be getting as 2 pi I. So what you got? Integral over c 1 by z minus a is also you got as 2 pi I. Okay, this is the way to do. So f of z of theta is 1 by z minus a. In the place of z, a plus r e power I theta minus a. That is nothing but this minus a gets cancelled. 1 by r e power theta I got. Now this one I have taken this, and the z dash of theta is nothing but that one. So you got like this. Now we'll go for the z minus a whole square. Now what about the z minus a whole square? If we got as 2 pi. Now what about the value of 1 by z minus a whole square? If you wanted to find out now. Now we'll go for that. So the second one. The second one is given what? Given C such that z minus a is nothing but equal to r. Okay, that implies z minus a is equal to r e power I theta. Okay, therefore that implies z is equal to a plus r e power I theta. This is as is where theta belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. This is as is similar. Now we need to find out the value of this. So I'll use the formula integral c f of z dz is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi f of z of theta or z dash of theta d theta. Okay, so therefore what you are going to have, now I may write as this one first, integral 0 to 2 pi, okay, 1 by z dash of theta, f of z of theta is nothing but this. So 1 by, what is z actually? Z is nothing, a plus r e power I theta. So a plus r e power I theta minus a whole square into z dash of theta, this one. You will be getting as r I e power I theta d theta, same. Okay, this is nothing but integral 0 to 2 pi 1 by minus a and plus a gets cancelled. Now this is r e power I theta you will get, whole square you will get, r I e power I theta you will get. Okay, the square which are multiplied here. Now this is the square actually, a gets cancelled. Okay, so therefore integral 0 to 2 pi. Now you will be getting as 1 by, this is r square e power 2 I theta into r I e power I theta d theta. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take to the numerator, integral 0 to 2 pi. Okay, r square, I'll adjust r and r gets cancelled. You will be getting as 1 by r. Okay, So I into e power I theta into this one e power minus 2 I theta d theta you'll get. Okay, so that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi 1 by r. So you'll be getting as I into e power minus 2 I theta plus I theta. You'll be getting as e power minus I theta d theta. Okay, like this you'll get. So what I'll do now? So therefore I may take I by r outside integral 0 to 2 pi. I may write e power I minus I theta d theta. Okay, now what I'll do now? This is I by r e power minus I theta by minus I under 0 to 2 pi integral. So theta means again minus I will come down. So this minus and plus gets cancelled. So 1 minus 1 by r is equal to this is e power minus I theta under 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So therefore what is that now solution? Therefore what I'll do is this is minus 1 by r. I may write this as e power minus I means minus 2 pi I minus e power minus 0. You'll be getting as 0. So this is minus 1 by r e power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta. This is cos minus 2 pi plus I sin minus 2 pi minus e power 0 is nothing but 1. E power minus 0 1 by 1, that is nothing but 1. Okay, this is minus 1 by r. This is nothing but 1. Okay, minus 2 pi is 1. E power minus cos minus theta is cos theta. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 2 pi is nothing but again the positive value. So 1. And this will be 0. Minus 1. So you will be getting as 0. Now what you got here? Therefore integral c 1 by z minus a whole power square dz is nothing but equal to 0 you got. This one 0 you got. The first one you got as 2 pi I. Now this is n greater than 1. For n greater than 1 you got as 0. So for n is also it will be 0. That will prove for n also in the same manner. So to prove that n, we'll try to find out now. We'll try to find out in this manner. We'll take. Okay. So same thing will apply for the n also. For n also will apply. That is the last one, third one. Third one if you apply, that is integral c 1 by z minus a whole power n dz. So I am doing directly now. C f of z dz is nothing but equal to integral 0 to 2 pi f of z of theta, z dash of theta and the d theta. Okay, directly I am applying where z minus a mod z minus a is nothing but equal to r. That implies z is equal to a plus r e power I theta where theta belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. So if I apply directly, this is again 0 to 2 pi 1 by z minus a means z is this a plus r e power theta. I make it r e power I theta whole power n. Okay, a gets cancelled now. So this is r I e power I theta d theta, the same thing. Okay, now this is integral 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 by r power n e power r power n into r I e power I theta e power n I theta d theta minus n I theta d theta to the numerator if you take. Okay, so this will be what? This will be, I may take this one to the denominator. That will be n minus 1. Okay, so 1 by r power n minus 1 integral 0 to 2 pi I into e power you will be getting as minus n I theta and this one. So I may write as I theta common 1 minus n d theta. I got as e power I theta 1 minus n. 1 minus n, this is nothing but in the form of like this. Okay. So therefore what you are going to have? This is 1 by r power n minus 1. This is I may take it out. E power I theta into 1 minus n by 1 minus n under 0 to 2 pi. Okay. This is 0 to 2 pi. So therefore that is nothing but equal to 1 by r power n minus 1 I into e power 2 pi I 1 minus n minus you may get as 1 by 1 minus n. This is 1 minus n. Okay. So this I will be there common. Okay. I will be there like this. Now this is nothing but 1 by r power n minus 1 into I by n minus 1 into e power 2 pi I 1 minus n minus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but 1 by r power n minus 1 into I by n minus 1. This is again 1 because cos 2 pi 1, it depends upon the value of n. Then you may apply the cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi or 1 minus n. Then you will be getting as again this is 1 and the minus 1. This also will be 0. So entire thing this also is. So for n greater than 1, it's always is nothing but 0. It's always the 0. So therefore what we got the conclusion is integral C 1 by z dz is nothing but equal to 2 pi I. This is the with center A. And integral C 1 by z minus a dz is also is equal to 2 pi I. You can understand here this is nothing but 1. N is nothing but 1. In the same manner, if you can take integral C 1 by z minus a whole square dz is nothing but 0. This is for n greater than 1. This is n is equal to 1. This also n is equal to 1. Okay. So therefore what you got here is 1 by z minus a. For n equal to 1 it is nothing but 2 pi I. For n greater than 1, whatever the value it will be always 0. So with this problem we have made a conclusion that it is nothing but 1 by z dz by z minus a is nothing but is equal to 2 pi I. We'll do the one more problem in the next video. Thank you.